So what's up, guys? I just woke up a few days ago. You can see 3 days ago, and I decided to check my mail, and I'm seeing $65 that was sent to me from which company? From Bluehost. Okay, for doing absolutely no work. All right, and as you can see, this earnings was from my YouTube channel. As you can see, from YouTube. Okay, I don't know whether it's my channel or anywhere, but I know it's from YouTube. Okay, so this is not just the money I got to earn from this company. I've earned up to this amount you see here. Okay, tune of 455. I've had 7 sign-ups, 98 clicks from this company. I've earned this amount. Okay, and I want to show you in this video. I would like to term it an affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, I'm not a pro affiliate marketer, but I know 1 or 2 tricks that works, and that's why I want to show you what to do in this video. So before we get started, if you are watching this video up to this moment, please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe right here. Click on the red subscribe button, notification bell, and also comment, like. Please, your like is important, your comment is important, so that YouTube will help recommend our videos to so many viewers on YouTube. So haven't done that, thank you. Let's jump into the video. So for you to start earning money, okay, you have to do some work. Trust me, you have to do some work, and this work is what I'm about showing you right now. You don't need to own a product before you start making money. No, you don't need to spend so much money before you start making money. No, but this affiliate marketing, if you don't want to spend money, is what you have to be patient enough, okay, for it to start paying you. So, but first of all, what do? You need a product. You need to promote something. You need to sell something. You need to promote something for people. Okay, in my own case, I'm promoting Bluehost. Bluehost is a company that that deals on hosting, that sells hosting spaces. Okay, the websites, name, domain names, and co. So I help bring customers to this website, and they pay me for when the customer signs up. Okay, so I have another nice program like Canva. Canva has an affiliate program. So if you bring a customer, I started promoting this offer lately. Okay, so that's why I see that no earnings yet, but with time I know I'm gonna rack this up. So Fiverr pays you for bringing pro users to their platform. They pay you up to $36 for bringing people to their platform. Okay, so when I promote their website with my unique link, and the customer buys from my link, I get paid. So also ClickBank. So also is Partner. There are so many websites that you can find a product to promote. Okay, it's not too hard to find. You can go on Google and type list of affiliate programs. You can see, click list of affiliate marketing sites or something like that. Okay, find websites, 100 best websites. So just find a product or a website to promote their product that you know that they pay. Okay, like in this place you see okay, Fiverr. Okay, affiliate program is Fiverr. The best overall is Fiverr. Fiverr has its own affiliate program, trust me. There are other ones too. Bluehost, you see, which I'm one of them. Bluehost, Hostinger, this is another hosting company. You can sign up. 150. Wow, look at this, 150 per sale. Oh my god, I think I'm going to sign up on this. Elemento, you guys can see. My god, this is interesting. HostGator and all of those things. Okay, so haven't seen all of these things, but I haven't seen all of these products. Like you landed a product that you want to sell. Okay, this is what I want to promote. So the next thing is, how do I get people to see that product and start buying? Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, my traffic source, as you can see here, hold on, as you can see here, YouTube referred this sale. This money I made is from YouTube. Okay, my customer got to know me from YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to teach what I know. I don't teach what I don't know, what I haven't tried before. Okay, so what I teach you is what I've done and what I know. Okay, that works. Okay, so YouTube is our traffic source. So before, you don't just go on YouTube and maybe, what do you do? Okay, the question is, what do you do when you get to YouTube? So first of all, go to vidIQ. Okay, vidIQ, before we even start thinking about doing anything, making a video on YouTube. Okay, so okay, so sign up on vidIQ. This is not a tutorial on vidIQ, so sign up and go to this tab. you see something like keywords, okay, keyword research, okay. So search something, a video related to the tool you are trying to promote. In my own case, maybe I'm trying to promote best hosting company, right? Best hosting company. Let's see. Hosting company, best hosting company. Okay, you see, search volume. People are searching for best hosting company. People are searching for best WordPress hosting company. Okay, and these are very low competition. Okay, very low competition. Okay, see this web hosting. This is medium, kind of very low, and best hosting for WordPress. Okay, and these people are, you know, these people are searching for this. Look at 12,000 search volumes. Okay, so definitely, if I make a video on best, let me say I make a video on best hosting for WordPress. Okay, let me go over to YouTube. Best hosting for WordPress. You see, 2021. Let's see. There are already, look at now, there are already people promoting this. Okay, I want you to see something. If you open up any of these websites right now, any of these videos, let me open one up. Okay, so if I open one of these up right now, this is 13 August, which is, it was just yesterday, and it has over 1,000 and something views already. Okay, so look at, watch. If you check the first link here, this guy has, this is referral link leading you to whatever hosting is trying to promote. Let's open it up and see. You will see what I mean. Look at Bonus hosting. Wait, it will refer me to another distance now. Do you guys see? This is his affiliate link. This is all his affiliate link that he listed here. Look at, he listed all his affiliate link, all. Okay, top, still the same thing. It might be the same page. Okay, I said it, so it's still the same page. So if any person should visit this site, okay, any of them, you see, refer, you see, affiliate campaign. Do you see it? Do you see it? So if I'm to buy from any of this link right now, this guy will earn a particular amount of money, which is what I told you I've been talking about, which is exactly what I did. Okay, so you don't just go on YouTube to make videos, okay, just because you want to promote your offers. No, you go to you go to this tool, which I told you, this vidIQ tool. Okay, make sure that a video you want to make, that people are already searching for it. Make sure that people are already searching for such a video. Okay, like these ones, the ones that have, you know, high search volumes. Okay, so make sure you make videos targeting this keyword, web hosting companies. Okay, so this is just for web hosting, because I'm using web hosting for as an example. Okay, so after you upload the video, you want to upload to YouTube. Okay, make sure that you see in the title, in the description, that you have your this, let me bring up this here, that you have this keyword that is best web hosting. Okay, that you have it in your title. Okay, in your description you see it again, the best web hosting service, the same thing. Do you guys see? Okay, then make sure that inside your description that you have, you see, this person has almost every distance scattered, and all these keywords related here, all these keywords, he had it scattered in his what's it called, description. Okay, so then after that, I also want to also make sure, in that description, make sure you include your ref link, your referral link. When you sign up on Bluehost, they'll give you a referral link. Okay, they'll give you a referral link. If you sign up on any of the hosting, any of the affiliate programs, when you sign up on any of the hosting platforms, they'll give you a referral link, which is unique to you. In my own case, on Canva, you see that I have a referral link. This is it. Okay, so any program, any affiliate program you have to sign up on, go and find your affiliate link. Okay, your ref link. So include it in the description, in the description of your videos, okay, in your YouTube video. Include it and have, you know, more like pointers, okay, to show people that this is what you want them to do. Okay, you can use, maybe if you don't know how to pick this icon, you can go over to this website, Facebook icon, okay, Facebook icons, this website, okay, you'll find so many emojis like the pointing, this one, okay, copy it and paste. There are so many emojis you can use on your description, okay. So then I also want to show you, after doing all the SEO involved in this video before you upload, there is also the tag aspect, okay. Then this video that is that we opened up, that is doing using this same strategy I'm talking about right now. You see their tags, okay, their tags are all related to web hosting. Look at web hosting, all related to web hosting, and this guy is making a killing. I mean, this guy is making a killing with these this type of videos. Web hosting. Do you guys see the tags? Okay, you can actually copy this person's tag, or you can copy the title, the keyword you are trying to rank, okay, for, and go over to this website called rapidtags.io generator, okay, and paste it here. I'm talking about generating your tags. All these things will help you rank on YouTube, okay. So you see, it generates automatically the tags that you need to rank your videos. All right, so you guys can see it, right? So once you generate the tags, you put it in your videos, in your tags. This is not a tutorial on how to upload on YouTube, okay. If you need that, I have a video on my channel. Let me show you that video. So if you are watching this, please go watch that. I think it was a video on YouTube SEO. I have a video on YouTube SEO. Go and watch this. Okay, go and watch this video. Okay, it will show you how to upload the YouTube video. Go and watch it, please. Okay. Then after you are done doing this, then the last thing you need to take care of is your thumbnail. If you watch, you see there are eye-catchy thumbnails. Look at eye-catchy thumbnail, and this guy is dominating this whole this whole keyword. My God, you see. So these keywords you need to this thumbnail, okay, you need to design a very eye-catchy thumbnail that will make people to click on your videos. And how do you do that? You have Canva to thank for that. You go on Canva. There are so many templates for you. YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, you click here. There are so many of them. Okay, there are so many of them. You can click on select any one of them and customize it. Okay, this is not to show you how to design. I have so many videos on Canva design. Okay, go watch them if you want that. Okay, so then after you are done doing that, you upload your videos. Okay, then in the comment section, this is one final step. Okay, if you go to you see this guy in the comment section, he posted his link again. Get the bonus top hosting services. He posted the link again. Do you guys see? So make sure you keep on doing this. Like before you upload any video, make sure you do all these things I just mentioned. Okay, so you make sure that as soon as that video ranks, that you get sign-ups from people watching that video. Trust me, this works. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this particular topic. You can do this not just for web hosting. So many other affiliate program or products you want to promote, you can use the same method I just showed you in this video. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this, and I'll stop right here. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will gladly answer your questions. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.